What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the reissue of the legend Nokia 3650. Beautiful renders and fresh details instantly appeared on the network. Nokia classic push button phone under the old names, but with an updated design. Yes, the Nokia 3650 designer phone will be released very soon at a very reasonable price. Coming in the video, Nokia 3650 4G 2021 new stunning design. First look, features, release date and much more. Please watch the full video content. Details about the upcoming release of the legendary Nokia 3650 phone with a unique design, released in 2003, have appeared on the network. The company released updated versions of the Nokia 6300 and 8000 phones last fall, and now it plans to launch the state-of-the-art Nokia 3650. The information was shared by thematic resource Let's Go Digital. The phone platform is likely to be Kai operating system. There is also support for 4G cellular networks, increased display and battery capacity compared to the original. The new Nokia 3650 4G 2021 will be aimed at young people and will have a bright, memorable design. Color renders for greater clarity were made by designer German Smith, known from the concept creator video channel, especially for Let's Go Digital. The original smartphone and was a smartphone because the Nokia 3650 was based on the Symbian Series 60 operating system, was released in 2003. Compared to the other mobile devices, it stood out with its round keyboard. Speaking about the technical characteristics of the original model, the Nokia 3650 was equipped with a 2.1 inches display with a resolution of 176 by 208 pixels, a 0.3 megapixel VGA camera, and a removable 850 mAh battery. It is not known if the HMD Global will retain the unique shape of the Nokia 3650 in the release, like its modern counterparts. In the face of Nokia 3310, Nokia 8800 and Nokia 6300, the device is likely to run on Kai OS. Probably, the reissue of the Nokia 3650 will have a larger screen diagonal. After all, 2.1 inches is a very small by modern standards. Giz China notes that HMD Global may stop re-releasing older phones, so the Nokia 3650 could be the last of its kind. The official debut of the Nokia 3650 4G 2021 is expected in the next month. As for the price, it should not exceed 100 euros. It is expected that more information on new product will appear in the coming weeks. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.